Lishonile Mbukeli kepha-ke belingeke lashona ngaphandle kwetindzabadalo. Nati-ke talomuhla tingelwimi lesiswati la ku-SABC. Asibukele tihambe mbili.
Some areas, community, they've suffered, they don't have food, the clothes, etc. We're quite happy that the gift of the givers, they as well come on board to assist us.
Umphathiswa welitiko letekuhlaliswa kwebantfu nekusebenta ngekubambisana kwabomasipala nendzabuko eMpumalanga Speedy Mashilo uthi sekushone bantfu labang-19 kusuka kuqalele timvula telihlobo.
Even myself, I did not know him.
Inhloko etebunhlolo emaphoyiseni Dumisani Khumalo itichithile tinsolo tekuthi nebudlelwane nasomabhizinisi Vusumuzi Cat Matlala. Iphindze yathi ayikake nje ike ikhulume nanaye. Inhloko etebunhlolo emaphoyiseni Dumisani Khumalo itichithile tinsolo tekuthi nebudlelwane nasomabhizinisi Vusumuzi Cat Matlala. Iphindze yathi ayikake nje ike ikhulume nanaye. Lilanga lesibili ke Khumalo akhuluma ngembi kwelikomiti lesikhashana ePhalamende lelibuke tinsolo tenkhohlakalo nekungenelela emsebentini wemaphoyisa.
Jenene Khumalo uthi ligama la Vusumuzi Cat Matlala lavela ngesikhathi likhishwa ngolomunye libeka nesikhalo ngesikhathi kunemhlangano behanjelwe ngukhomishana wamaphoyisa wavelonke Jenene Fani Masimula.
Even myself, I did not know him. He was, I think on my affidavit, I introduced that subject in one of the paragraphs, that the name was introduced to us for the first time during that meeting, and then we had then to start our investigation by identifying the person.
Khumalo utshele likomiti ukuthi leli docket la Amand Swat limikisiwe ku-NPA lekulinzele ukuthi ithathe isinqumo sekuthi kuya embili kutawendakalane.
It is a very wide investigation, but the docket, some of the dockets are already with the NPA for decision.
Jenene Khumalo uvete ukuthi leti nhlelo tokukhipha emaphoyisa Mbumbulu kanye netisebenzi tihola tingekho emsebentini ngekhathi emaphoyiseni kuyachubeka kanzi kwendiwa ngekucophelela.
Project that is currently still on because it talks to the identification.
Uthi letinye tinzatheli letisebena netigebengu kuleli ekuqaleni kwaleli viki lona bekalibambela commission wamaphoyisa velonke Khumutso Phahlane naye beyakhipha ubufakazi bakhe lapho wakhipha khona lamanye emagama etinzatheli lebekusula ukuthi titama kumveta njengalo mubi.
Umphathiswa welitiko letekuhlaliswa kwebantfu nekusebenta ngekubambisana kwabomasipala nendzabuko eMpumalanga Speedy Mashilo uqiniseka ukuthi lemvula lecale ngenyanga yeLweti eminyakeni lowengcile indlule netimpilo tebantfu labalishumi sifundza sonke. Kanti-ke nenhlangano letimele lehambisa lusito i-Gift of the Givers sevele yanikela lusito eMbombela. Kanti kuva kabanti-ke ngatakamuva netimvula eMpumalanga emoyeni sinaTumelo Machoho loyinsatheli letindzaba te-SABC lokanikise eMbombela. Sikwemukele ke mlingane tindzabeni.
Samkela.
Tumelo ngabe sinjani simo etindzaweni etifana nenkomazi nakuletinye letihlaselwe tikhukhula eMpumalanga nyalo?
Well, isimo seMpumalanga sibi kakhulu, especially in Nkomazi, where the area has been flooded with water. A lot of houses are actually been waterlogged in their water. But also the more concerning is this, because some villages don't have water because now they've been cut off from the waters. But also is because of the situation that is ongoing in that area, where communities actually the water pumps cannot be pumped because of the high water levels, so they cannot pump waters into these communities. So amaningi aba villages akaba namanzi memigwaqo nayo ehambile akona gese, so isimo sibi kakhulu especially lapho eNkomazi, because you can imagine ukuthi ama villages amanye akhathile off completely, where they cannot go to work, abakhona ukuya emsebenzini, abakhona ukuya emadorobheni, and abakhona ukudibana nabantu. So the situation is very bad. That's why now the Gift of the Givers is in the province saying that they're going to be helping out in communities, especially in Bushbuckridge and also in Nkomazi. They were also yesterday, they were in in Mukhondo municipality, where they were also helping out with over 200 houses. But this afternoon they were saying that they're going to go to Nkomazi, where they're going to be starting to hand out food parcels and also soaps and things that people would need, like blankets, because of this situation. We went to a couple of houses where we've seen people in their houses where everything is wet, where there's water everywhere, and these are the people that really need help at this stage. So the Cocta MEC uSpeedy Mashilo uthi province le izonida at least 300 million, and only in Nkomazi 300 million, so that they can actually help Nkomazi ukuthi ikhona ku recover after le mvula le eshaqile kakhulu lapho Nkomazi. But they're also saying that this could actually go up. That's why they're saying that they will be meeting with the Premier tonight and tomorrow to see what they can go, if they can actually declare this a state of disaster in that area because of the storm that actually has ravaged that area. You can see a lot of people there in that community have been affected by this storm. Hundreds and hundreds of people have been affected by this, and also you can imagine in villages where municipalities and also people of like Gift of the Givers or even like disaster management cannot reach. These are the most affected communities where everyone cannot go to those communities and see them or help them. So these are communities where they've been completely cut off, or they don't even have electricity to call anyone to actually now start laying out their complaint and say, you know what, we are from this village and we have not been seeing anyone coming to us and coming with a little bit of help, because a lot of houses have been damaged and a lot of houses have collapsed in that area.
Sibonge kakhulu Tumelo ngesikhathi sakho. Siqhubekele embili ke. Mengameli Cyril Ramaphosa uhlolisise umonakalo lobangwe imvula lenemandla eBhembe naseMopani. Ramaphosa uphinze waya eGiyani naseMbawula nato letihlaselwe tikhukhula. Kusenjalo emaphoyisa aseGiyani aqinisekise ukuthi kunemvana loneminyaka lesihlanu lomitile. Kungyalo akakatholakali kanti imitamo yekumfuna iyachubeka.
Imbawula isemkhathini kweGiyani kanye nePhalabhura ingcenye yetindzawo letitsikabedekile kulandzela tikhukhula kulesifundza. Takhiwo ncandi letimoshekile tifaka ekhatsi imigwaco kukhukhuleke nemakhaya lakhiwe edrodaneni yalomfula wakulendzawo. Linani lalamandi lenyuke kakhulu cishe lifike eluphahleni kuletindlu. Mengameli Cyril Ramaphosa uthi isimo sakulendzawo siyakhathata.
The saddest part is the 36 houses that have been wiped away. There's not a single house that I see here. There were houses and even the foundations are gone. Everything is gone. So this is a real catastrophe. But our people will be taken care of. They've been the records, the details of every household and every person are now being gathered, and we will be making sure that they are taken care of.
Usele ushacekile umndeni wemfana lomuke nemfula loneminyaka lesihlanu.
She was swept by water, her and her baby. So until she got the tree, she managed to catch the tree almost 4 to 5 kilometers away. She climbed the tree, but the baby already was swept by water.
Kuthi kabedekene takhamuti emamakata lekwindzawo lesemaphandleni umfula wakulendzawo imoloyotsi ugcwele ugola tintsetse.
Unfortunately, when the rain comes and then the bridge disappeared, and then we reported them. They came here the day before yesterday as the mayor of Greater Letaba, and they promised us that immediately if the rain stops, they're going to come and build a strong bridge that everybody can pass.
Belusito lwecala bayachubeka nekufuna siyabonga baloyi loneminyaka lesihlanu kanti tiphathimandla tithi tisacaphe umonakalo waletikhukhula kuna kwalemvula lingenamkhawulo sekucwalise nemadamu lekufaka ekhathi nelidamu leTzanini.
Sikubutile ke mbukeli ukuthi uhulumende angatihlela kanjani kangcono kubukana netinhlekelele letifana naleti tetikhukhula kwatise phela ukuthi letehlakalo taminyaka yonke uphendvule ngalendlela.
Kwaco akucashwe ama professionals lawa atowakha imigwaco lena ifit ukuthi kuhambe timoto nebantu nemvula uma yinile i drain system isebenza.
uhulumeni makabe akha ama-bridge aphakeme ayi ama-bridge ahamba phansi ngoba amanzi ahamba phezulu bese beyamuka abantu. Okwesibili, abantu abakhuthazwe ukuthi abasulahle noma kanjani odoti ngoba uvala ama-drain nama-drain acheckwe njalo ukuthi awablockile yini.
Kwamele kwakhwe ama-bridge aqinile in advance ukuthi for makuzoba nezinto ezikanje ezifana nama-storms like kube khona ama-bridge akhiwe aqinile ukwenzela ukuthi abantwana bakwazi ukuthi bacrosse baye esikolweni.
Uhulumende akasakhele imigwaqo loqinile afake ama-bridge laqinile lasilasta sikhathi umgwaqo lo khona ukuthi ucithe ngala emaceleni manda khona ukuthi ahambe angahlali ndawonye.
Hayi uhulumende ufuneka aqiniseke uba zonke inswelo zabantu kwinto ezinjena zemvula zikhona. Kungathi xa kufika imvula abetatazela uhulumende xa kuba abantu uzabathini.
Lona ngumbono wembukeli iSABC etethweswa kutiphendvulela ngayo. Kule nyanga lefile bekubekwa lithambo lemalangeni umvane Nkosi Tikhondele Dlamini lobeka sikhulu saka lomshiyo endasi neMpumalanga kusuka ngasemjindini kuya emshiyo lowa enkomazi nasematsulu. Ukhothama nje sewuneminyaka lenge-83 kepha kubuka kabanti ke ngaye ngemshiyandvuku wakhe etindlini tekusakata sina Jacob Mnisi lobuya emkhandlweni wakalomshiyo. Sikubingelele Jacob sikwemukele tindzabeni tesiswati. Umvane Nkosi uyidlalile inzima yakhe kaNgwane government. Ungathi yini inzima la idlalile lapho kulendzawo labuya kiyo?
Umntana Nkosi into ebekayithanda kakhulu abantu bakhe laba lakabaphethe into engicabanga ukuthi abantu bazomkhumbula ngayo ukulwela umhlaba ngoba amakhosi esikhathini esiningi bese wathathelwa amandla kuthathwa imihlaba ifakwa under ama-trust, so yizo izinto bezimkhathaza kakhulu. Bekuwumuntu futhi uthanda ukulima, uthanda inkomo yonke lento le, abengathandi futhi ukuthi abone abantwana beminyawo beyitradeni yonke lento le. So umntana Nkosi beka umuntu webantu
futhi beka ngumthombo lojulile wemasiko nelwimi lesiswati. Ingabe khona yini lamshiyelelo lwati leli?
Baningi abashiyelelo lwati ngoba vele amasiko abelithanda isiko vele nje na uma ngaya lapha esigodlweni uzabona nje izindlu zakhona zakhiwe vele isintu, yonke into lapha iyisintu futhi ukhulisa abantwana abaningi ngesintu.
Ingabe ushiyele yini umndeni nebukhosi makhono lafanele?
Yebo, ngaconfirm ukuthi hayi ubashiyele. Nethi kuzaphuma kubo ukuthi bona bayolandela lokho abashiyele kona.
Lekufana nani nje?
Mainly vele ukulima nayo yonke lento le and ukuphatha kahle kwemfuyo nokuthi inkomo zijovwa nini abafundisa nje abafana abancane abasakhulayo ukuthi imfuyo iphathwa kanjani and ukuhlonipha mostly nokunye nje.
Bese ngibani ke lo tawuchubeka athathe sihlalo nyalo kuyempili noma bukhosi?
Lokho akusenga kakhulunywanga. Kusho ukuthi I'm sure before end of March after kuziliwe yonke lento kunama process amala yenziwe, then ke sekungaqala ku-announce amagama nayo yonke lento.
Jacob, asibonge kakhulu ke ngesikhathi sakho. Lo mbukeli bekunguJacob Mnisi abuya emkhandlweni wakalomshiyo. Siyabuya ngemva kwetitolo. Wemgelekile mbukele esigabeni sesibili setindzaba. Uma uceda kungena ukhethe kahle tisekhona hlala nathi. IMelika ithi yesekela abantu base-Iran nanobe emhlabuhlangene ahlongota ukuthi kukhulunyiswane njengoba nekungavani kudiphe mandla.
Linxusa lelemelika kumhlabuhlangene Mike Waltz litshele umkhandlo wetekuphepha ukuthi iWashington ivumelana nebantu base-Iran ngekufuna ukuthi baholi balelave batiphendvulele ngebulukhuni lobubukene nemnotfo wase-Iran. Utichithile tinsolo tekuthi lemibhikisho icucutelwa mave angaphandle, wathi iveta ukuthi bantu belive le-Iran bafuna lushintsho. Umphathi lomkhulu wamhlabuhlangene Mataphobi wexwayise ngekuthi titatimende telundvu tiveta ukuthi kungahle kube nembutfo wembi. Letexwayiso utita njengobe Mengameli Donald Trump aveta inkulumo lenekucaphela ekhatsi athi ulunywe indlebe ngekuthi sekungcono kubulawa kwebantu nekuthi kude netinhlelo tekusoqongwa kwebantu ngebunyenti.
Bosomabhizinisi nabathengiselana nemave emhlaba bathi nanobe lo mthetho lomusha we-AGOA ungavaleli emave ngaphandle ngalokusobala kepha bakhathatekile ngekuthi leli lingahle liphathiswe ngendlela leyehlukile lekhethekile kuleli viki lomele live lasemelika uhlikihle sivumelwano sekwelula sikhathi se-AGOA kuya enyangeni yeNgongoni nga-2028 leli lingulelinye izinkampani ezinkulu ngaphasi kwe-AGOA ikakhulukazi emkhakheni wetimoto wemawolinji kanye netimayini.
Legislative process in the US does not exclude any country. But of course, we've heard noises coming out of Washington suggesting that we would be treated as a special case. What that results in, we don't know. We also don't know whether the renewal of AGOA would, in a sense, replace the very steep reciprocal tariffs, the regime that is in place. Remember, we have the highest tariff on the African continent, and so that is unclear. And we would really like some certainty. I mean, as you know, business requires certainty for planning.
Nasivakashele timakethe tetimali sithola ukuthi lirandi lehlile nalicathaniswa netimali takulamanye emave. Mengameli Cyril Ramaphosa uvakashele isifundza seLimpopo lapho imvula lenemandla ibange umonakalo lomkhulu. Kubikwe ukuthi sekushone bantfu labalishumi nemfica kwakhukhuleka tindlu kanye netakhiwo encane. Mengameli uchazele isimo njengenhlekelele. Kepha kukhuluma kabanti ngaloludzaba semukela insatheli yetindzaba te-SABC Lerato Magola loganekise eBhembe. Lerato, ingabe sinjani isimo nyalo lapho la ukhona khona?
Iyakande lindele nabalaleli emakhaya iye khona lana eChukuma evillage eChukuma sizokuvakatshela indawo ezisahlelwe izinkhukhula ke ekseni ke sikhambile ke saya eVumbe district lapho bebafuna khona umsana weminyaka ema-20 ubudala ke sibonile ke laba besizwe lihabako bebakhona balinga ukufuna ke umzimba kodwa nje ukuthola kabanzi ukuthi abantu aba-affected bazokusize kanjani sizokhuluma nomama Ntambeleni ukusitshela ngabanzi ukuthi abantu bazokusizwa kanjani. Ma, thank you so much for your time. Firstly, how many emergency calls have you received related to the floods so far?
So far we have received a lot of calls regarding the damaged house infrastructure, including the road infrastructure within the district, and we currently the estimate is at about above 600. And with the road infrastructure, what I can say is that there is a lot. The estimate number, so far Thulamela has just reported around 104, but the assessment is still going on. That is why I'm unable to give you the exact statistic. But the team is still on the ground. They're working, they're busy in making sure that they conduct their assessment.
Okay, maybe if we can just talk about the plans so far to assist maybe affected residents.
The plan that is in place is that we are coordinating with the sector departments and the stakeholders and the NGOs. Already there is a community that received assistance, like yesterday they received food and food parcels, and the district municipality have provision which is being distributed to those who are affected by the floods.
And maybe what advice would you give to residents living in low-lying areas?
My advice to our community members is that they need to refrain from crossing the swollen rivers. If the bridge is overflowing, they need to make sure that they do not cross, either on foot or else if they are using their own vehicles. And another thing that I can say is that they need to evacuate immediately when they realize that rain is coming. And we constantly communicate with our partners and also our co-workers and our community members, making sure that the weather alerts that are being distributed or that are being shared by South African Weather Services, they also get the information. So they need to take note of that. If we share the information with them, they need to take it very seriously. Those who are who are residing in a low area, they need to make sure that they evacuate quickly. They safeguard their belongings before bad things happen to them. Okay, thank you very much.
There you have it. Nago uchile ke okhulumela i-disaster management center khona eBhembe district. Uyatsho ukuthi ubawa ama residents amalungu omphakathi ukuthi angeci ke imigwaqo angeci ama bridge nakunama bridge ke lana kunakhona izulu. Bachile ke njengoba abantu be weather service bakhiphe nesiyeleliso ke sokuthi izulu lizokuna esifundeni seMpumalanga nesifundeni khona seLimpopo ke bachile ukuthi khona la esifundeni seLimpopo sokuna eTzanini njengoba ngitshilo ukuthi lana sikhona eChukuma village yakhona ke njengoba ubona ukuthi abahlali balana njengoba bangenelwe namamanzi ke sizokulinga yena nokukhuluma nabo kodwa nje sibela yini estudio samahlelo.
Lerato asibonge kakhulu ke ngesikhathi sakho. Tiguqa lapho ke talamuhla siphinde sihlangane kusasa. Asiphinde sihlangane letela malethi tingensimbi yesikhombisa ngesizulu ungaphuthelwa simo selitulu ngemva kwetitolo. Inthamba malenhle.